This is lateral left foot. And the border also lateral left foot. The edge is coming out here. That's super place power control. And I'm walking with this. Okay. Plus, I'm replacing the finger like this. Right? But the point, I'm not disturbing Anna. In the Anna order, upper end, disturb radius would upper end, disturb only I'm moving. The way if you put a chair, radius lock. Right? Radius lock to move up. Not locking it. Go for this one. Medium to lateral. Okay. Same way lateral. But this is very rare phenomena. We can go for mobilization. Normally, radius mobilize cleared out. But in this, suppose in chronic conditions, in the element is the Mari radial joint guide money. But in the result, chronic stage, soft tissue, like patellar tracking, patellar tracking muscle imbalances. So patellar tracking is not normal, so it leads to OA. Same way here, in the oligranal process, oligranal and the tracklea, oligranal fossa of the bone, there will be a tracking. It should be not. Every patellar, normal the tracking pathway is correct. That's why you tracking pathway is correct. That's why you tracking pathway is correct. That's why you tracking pathway is correct. For that purpose, this is very rare use of. But it's patient ready not trained cooking, put the result of the result, try with this. If you put it plus maybe result if you are going to do ultrasound or water therapy or healing therapy, soft tissue or water therapy. But anyway, the maybe sometimes the holding and pudichitu our movement it's better. Movement for example, just extension okay. So all now hold extension maybe called as movement mobilization. Okay. This is not a you are going for oscillated treatment. So how it is connected? Okay. Hold body plus muscle activate abdominal position normal position the restrictions the muscle is working in the proper channel. Ultimately that will help the joint to connect itself. So in the concept of the positional connection to the okay. This is the basic otherwise this one. Okay. I will move. Shoulder. We have a big leg, big leg, inferior, superior leg, superior inferior. Okay. And you don't advise the baby never go for superior inferior. Additional. This is easy. Cross cap level stabilize squaring stabilize my opinion always cover on the place plus I will multiply in the wakefulness, awareness, alertness, different support RA system. If you look at the RA system, down